In primetime news this evening, panic in Parliament. Attorney General hospitalized after falling in Gordon House. 800 million and counting the repair bill from Tropical Storm Elsa. And setback. 1,600 farmers impacted by Elsa. Government to help with recovery.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what else can be done to address the learning loss ahead of the new school term in September? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.